How to buy property at auction with Lisa Newton. Promo video. So this course, what we cover is different types of buyers, going to view the property, arranging your finance, your solicitors and the legal pack, on the auction day, bidding, completion, and basically it's how to prepare and what to expect. What you need to know if you are completely new to this. We do look at a case study. This is real life and none of it is theoretical. Now, this course is for those who are or who want to bid for property in an auction. We focus on auction properties, not any other types of auctions. It can be online auctions and in person or bidding by the phone. This is for those who are a novice, you're just starting out, you're just trying to learn it, and we hope by the end you will become a practitioner, whereby you can do this on your own without any help. The course tutor is an experienced buyer. This isn't anything that you're going to see on TV. It's not a TV program, it's practical learning, and it should hopefully save you time and money. A little bit about myself as the course tutor. My name's Lisa Newton. I have a degree in accounts and marketing and a master's in investment management. I am a serial author and entrepreneur, and I started a property management company several years ago. Auctions were my first port of call simply because I was looking for bargains. In this time, I've been outbid, I've lost out, and I have lacked preparation. But likewise, I've also won bids and I've got good deals and I've made a profit. I have bid in person, online and by phone, and this is the experience I'll be sharing with you so that you can save yourself time, money and a lot of heartache. So if you're interested in how to buy property at auction, we do focus on the UK market. I do hope to see you on the course.